Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here how to find complex power, apparent power, real power, reactive power. So whenever RMS voltage and RMS current was given. So very easy. So whenever if you find complex power, so from that complex power, we can easily find apparent power and real power and reactive power. So just we need to learn how to find complex power. So complex power was represented with a symbol as, so that is equal to Vrms into conjugate of Irms. So Irms conjugate. So that's equal to, so Vrms is given as this is, that is 120 with phase angle 0 into, and Irms this is given. Here we want conjugate. So conjugate means the phasor will be minus of. Keep the amplitude as it is, that is 2.4 with phase angle. Here minus 15 is there. So apply minus for this, we'll get 15. Now how to product the two phasor forms. So whenever two phasor forms are given here, so their product is nothing but the corresponding amplitudes product and sum of their phase angles. That is 120 into 2.4. Phase angle is sum of the phase angles, that is 0 plus 15. It becomes 288 with phase angle 15 degrees. This is the complex power in phasor form. So convert this into complex number. So whenever the phasor form is given like this, so it can be converted into complex number like capital A into cos of theta plus I sin theta. So this is the standard form of conversion from phasor form to complex number form. So by applying this, it becomes 288 into cos 15 plus I into sin 15. So by using calculator, we will get this value as 278.2 plus I 74.54. The units for complex power is volt amperes. So this is the complex power in complex number form and phasor form. Now we got complex power. Now how can you find apparent power and real power and reactive power? So from phasor form, we can get apparent power. The amplitude is called as apparent power, that is 288. So this amplitude is called as apparent power. Next, real power and reactive power we can get from the complex number. The real power is called as real power, that is 278.2, and reactive power is 74.54. Now what are the units for apparent power, real power and reactive power? The units for whatever the units for complex power, that is the units for apparent power, that is volt amperes. For real power, watts, and for reactive power, var. So these are the corresponding units for the given powers. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.